everyone, it's Mira Abishan from the Fertility Foodie at MCRM, part of the First Fertility Network. I'm holding a potato. Why? Because potatoes get kind of a bad rap. You know, couch potato, all of those things are rather negative. And it's given kind of a bad rap because it could be part of unhealthy eating habits, but prepared in certain ways, it can really be a nutritious part of one's diet, and that can fit in great with trying to eat healthier to improve your fertility on both the male and female sides. So what do you think? Should we try to make a nice curry? Try to make some potatoes? Yeah, he says yes, so let's do it. Okay, so the first step to creating your delicious lunch is to use some flavorings. So we'll use some olive oil, which is also excellent for health, for fertility. Some flavorings. So here I have some cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and some salt. I'll add that. This is just some chopped up red bell pepper. And I'm using a microwave safe dish. And then these are some chopped up onions. So when you cook potatoes with other foods, especially if you do it in a healthy way, I'm just stirring that up. Obviously I could use a spoon, but it's okay. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna cook everything in the microwave, which is really just it's like a steamer, and it really preserves the nutrients in the food. Okay, so after just about 3 minutes, we have a beautiful, already very fragrant onion red pepper mixture. Here are the potato. This is the potato. It's just one potato that I peeled and then cut up. You don't really have to peel it if you don't want to, but it's not going to get crispy in the microwave, and the peel may not look very appetizing in here, but experiment and see what you think. There is nutrition in the potato peel and you can totally eat it, but I have a feeling they'll cook a little bit better if they're peeled. So I'm just stirring this up a little bit, and then we're gonna microwave it for another couple of minutes, and then I'll see you again. And look at this, we have potatoes from the microwave in just a few minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, just to finish it, is I've got a half of a lime. This is the best way to find out if you have a paper cut, just to squeeze a lemon or a lime. And then just for more flavoring, I have some chopped up cilantro. And then one of the ways to have, you know, potatoes have carbohydrates, which give them a little bit of a bad rap. But one way to have carbohydrates get absorbed from the body slower, oh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's kind of like red, white, and green. Two of those are the official colors of Christmas, I believe. So one way to have the carbohydrates get absorbed more slowly and still get protein in your diet is to consume it with some protein. So peanuts are a good source of plant-based protein. I'm not putting it in here right now because peanuts have a tendency to steam and get a little bit soggy, and I want to just retain some of their crunch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to taste a little bit of this. And this is, I mean, this was one potato, one bell pepper, a half of an onion, a little bit of cilantro. And I mean, this would probably serve a couple of people, and it's very economical. And I just added a few of these peanuts just to get all the flavors. So, chef's treat.